kurinde by'ubuhangwa ebiro 30 byo kweza kwa mukaga nitwije ko niturangirira umusingizi w'impaka z'amashomero agarabe gakuzireje omukuhangahanga w'ibyishongoro narishe bitebyo ebikwasira kurinde by'ubuhangwa ishomero rasinje ebirabona ibyinje bonishiwori inzireje reka twatanise omukurinde by'ubuhangwa byitu ahagwanyensi yakubanonje bishagiciro aba beach abaruguza no kugura amataka muka generation development group abari kurinde by'ubuhangwa bwensi hamwe na Mizabibu Gardens abino buhereza burunji ubwa hotel hamwe n'umwanya gukorera mu mikoro
okwayahayanire ntebe yo bwa meya bwambarara kuri ni kosya TV West yakuretera kiganire cye butunu aho turashitamise bona abesimbira bwa meya bwambarara city twigiteho ubwo bari kutumurikira enteka zabo ezibinire ekibuga cyawe utaferwe kiganire cye okure enteka z'abantu bawe rero ukabona okukora okusharamu okwikire ukarona umwebembezi urakuretera ntunguka ekiganire cye nikije kubaho urwo kubanza ebirabe na bishatu byo kwa mukaga 2025 shahina za kiro butunu ahambeho za TV West twegiteho okore okusharamu okwikire kikwikibwaho aba Flax Digital Production abineza screen mpango rwiguga ezokoresa omikoro yona kubayikirira tira note mushanje notemwe ashatu nishatu inshanju nemwe not hamwe na Acacia Country Inn abino buhereza bwa hoteli n'umwanya go kwereramo imikoro
ombere kwije juba
bakwa
no wakwa
abekibina
twakora okumuntu bakazanyije
bakambira mutindi
boroku
ito bekibina cyo mbashe bitwaro mukaga icyo nakora eje bracket yakugamu bas ahantu ho waka warambwe no wawe ndi kuca mushango hagati yawe n'umukazi wawe
ubwo bushobozi ko tabwine
iwe wabwiya
waruhanga
wamugana nkahemanya
kora baganagamara ubisana
tuva bashaka bari binonga
ombere kwije juba
bakwa
no wakwa
abekibina
twakora okumuntu bakazanyije
bakambira mutindi
boroku
ito bekibina cyo mbashe bitwaro mukaga icyo nakora eje bracket yakugamu bas ahantu ho waka warambwe no wawe ndi kuca mushango hagati yawe n'umukazi wawe
ubwo bushobozi ko tabwine
iwe wabwiya
waruhanga
wamugana nkahemanya
kora baganagamara ubisana
tuva bashaka bari binonga
okwa mukagoko nitwisha kuba ntushaguze kiro echa World Environmental Day abo kugira ngo TV West etwire na inageza programs zo kurinde by'ubuhangwa ebiro 30 byo kweza kwa mukaga nitwisha kuba niturangirira umusingizi w'impaka z'amashomero agarabe gakuzireje omukuhangahanga w'ibyishongoro narishe bitebyo ebikwasira kurinde by'ubuhangwa ishomero rasinje ebirabona ibyinje bonishiwori inzireje reka twatanise omukurinde by'ubuhangwa byitu ahagwanyensi yakubanonje bishagiciro aba beach abaruguza no kugura amataka muka generation development group abari kurinde by'ubuhangwa bwensi hamwe na Mizabibu Gardens abino buhereza burunji ubwa hotel hamwe n'umwanya gukorera mu mikoro
ukwenda kongera umbuhereza umbyemizano utaferwa programu y'akadirisa buri rwa kashatu turi kwishaho ibyafayo by'abazani n'ibiri kubakwataho akadirisa nikakorwa ganda amazoba arwo kubanza no rwa katano kugashamwenda okwisa shamwenda necwe kazihangwe aha TV West nehinda
okugira amagara marungi nicyo cyo bugiga icyo buri muntu ari kwetenga nitubane tukoretera abahangu omu by'amagara barukwegesa uko wakubasa kurinda je amagara gawe. Porogaramu egi neyigesa nk'omuntu ashemerere kukora kuyakuba yakwasirwa oburwire obu turi kuba nituganiraho n'abahangu.
kurungi twakutangirira eshaha neza Agacencwire ebiro by'okwezi bya 11 okwezi no kwa mukaga omwaka 2025. Serena Nuwamanya ninyenda bene kutwara mu Gacencwire agutwatebekanisa omwebazyo gunsa kwakire mtu y'amakuru kuturagaruce tuyishe nago ombwijwire.
Emitwe y'amakuru ne kuhikibwaho.
Roseform. At Roseform, we deliver in real time.
Roseform.
Agacencwire kireki abatura bokize njiyo mushomesa batematema amatungo nibamutekateka ho kutera beje amahembe omureka bare. Omukama wa Bunyoro kitarati yarebeka hamukoro gwo kujaguza empango eyo murundo gwa 31
yatuyambye nnyo okupromotinga culture yaffe ng'Abanyoro.
Ebyo kwerinda kongerwa mamani ubwo President Museveni arikuza kwakira empapura zo kwesimbaho.
We must ensure the election is free and fair.
Emitwe y'amakuru yabane kuhikibwaho.
Roseform. At Roseform, we deliver in real time.
Roseform.
Emitwe y'amakuru ne
Agacencwire ombwijwire habireho akashashamaro omugomboro y'amaziba omu district ya Kabare obu abatura ababire batashemerirwe okutahirira amaka g'omushomesa wa primary bakagosya bakatematema n'amatungo abo kumutekatekaho kuba natera abana babo amahembe.
Omu rukiiko rubiira h'ishomero ry'amaziba mixed primary school abana bagwira hansi bayekurra bamuka nkembwa kandi ekiresireho obwoba omu bazire n'abebembezi.
Mwegesa bagamba manje expedito akana shomese cyakana cyakatano ijana begesa twamuta umucyaka shatu tawutira umucyaka shatu ahanyuma twatakamekiro abazira ba management batwa yo kugira ngo abazire gutwakora kurugi batugurire buzi batesete sike mutarabe tano abazire ba management twazo budget twakore mbaga twaje gukora mbaga umwegesa byona ngo yabirese cyajangwe muzi ati ningireta ate koko ningireta ngero njya ryahenderwa abihire owe so icyo promo umwana umwe ari kugamba ngo nashuka ke koko twarese koko bashito mu ofisi umwana we yagihiremo itwara kuduza kujibaga wategeye koko ndiyo mbuzi yakwase bari kubaga nashuka ke ko yasobera shuka ke koko ashubashuga ke mbuzi
ubwo urukiko ruri kugenda obumaisho bamuha abazira batashemirirwe babiri bariyo nibosya enju y'omushomesa omanyirwe nkamande n'okutema amatungo ge.
urabona arganka bagambara umubusingi morire utatwara amateko mu ngaro urede hina bakikozere ahubwo ko kweza kwata umukono gwawe wayetse enju y'umuntu n'omushango morire
ati baza kwigura fayiro ya ebintu ebisisikaire ebyo kumushinja ibintu ebyafa then polisi atandika kuchondoza ngo umuntu kwarashanga ngo okatwara amateka mu ngaro yari ngenda kubamanyisa kamuhanje Reverend Father amateka gaza kwata haburyomu akutwara amateka ki atwariye amateka mu ngaro
kunanka atagaruka bareke kwegesha
abebembezi b'ekyanga eki baraganisa okumaraho emberegi obwe barikukwatanisa n'abatura. Gasha kwa Job Namanya.
Tugumiza munamakuru. President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni yashaba abebembezi b'enzarwa obutejwanzya omu by'obutegetsi kureka bakore obujunanizibwa bwabo okurinda eby'enzarwa n'okworeka abantu emihanda y'entunguka. Yabigambira aha kugambaho mu bantu aha mukoro ogwo kujaguza emyaka 31 kwiha obukama bwa Nyirokitara Dr. Solomon Gafabusa Iguru wo kubanza ajumura engoma.
President w'ihanga nahika General Chimuhaburwa Yoweri Kaguta Museveni.
President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni yahika aha mukoro gwo kujaguza emyaka 31 okwiha omukama wa Nyirokitara Dr. Solomon Gafabusa Iguru wo kubanza ajumura engoma shaha mukaga zihangwe gwaba mu kikari ka Ruzika omu rurembo rwa Hoima. Omukama Iguru wo kubanza tiyabasa kukora migenzo y'empango ekiri kumanyisa ngu empango tiyabaho kandi n'emikoro y'ebijaguzo tiyagihikaho. President Museveni yabuganaho omukama otari mu mbeera nungi n'abeeka ye omu kikari. Nabwanyuma bageraho orukiiko rw'eshaaha emwe oteekyerezebwamu banyamakuru ahabwa obutiikirizana obutwire hagati ya Okwiri Mugenyi n'omushikirwa w'obukama Andrew Kirungi byakutaaga. Wanyuma y'orukiiko President Museveni yagambaho n'abantu.
I want to congratulate His Highness Omukama Iguru on the 31st anniversary of his coronation. I'm, however, sorry to find that he's sick. I called on him. We should continue to pray for him. I want to thank the committees, together with the Omugo, who are running the affairs of the kingdom when the king is sick.
President yashobora enshonga ahabwinki yashagikire ebyokugarraho obwebembezi bw'enzarranwa ezirimu kurinda orurimi emigenzo n'ebikwata ebindi.
When we restored the kingdoms, I knew what we were doing because I know this area very well. We are part of the ancient culture of this area. I know the contribution of the kingdoms and their limitations. The kingdoms, first of all, we had one kingdom of the Wachwezi, which united all of us for some time, and succeeded in uniting a bigger part of Uganda.
Yashaba abebembezi b'enzarranwa obutejwanza mu by'obutegetsi na munonga mu kuteera akaruru.
Modern states are built on democracy. So that's why we said the kingdoms should not mix with the political issues. Let the people elect their leaders, but the cultural leaders have a role. The governance of today, through democracy, the governments are responsible for legislation, administration, and politics, and planning for the economy. There is a gap which the modern states cannot do well. Who looks after the indigenous languages? because the governments are mainly conducting business in English and to some extent in Swahili. So we said, no, this area will die if nobody is looking after it specifically.
Andrew Chirungi byakutaga yasima president abo kuhereza bukama obushegeki bwo kujanja abo mukama butosha.
Tangira hanu ombukama bwa Bunyoro Kitara. Webale muno kwija kuba naitwa akiro kino. Webale kugonza Bunyoro. Omyezi 12 ehoire. Guno murundi gwayo gwa mukaga noija Bunyoro. Tukusima muno webale muno kwija waitu kandi webale kutwikazaoga omutima.
Bamombe bembezi basime bukozurwe omubukama omyaka 3 nagumuhingwiri.
Myaka 3 mugumu nga alamula Bunyoro bingi byatuseeko kubanga president yakomyawo kingdom zino kati atuyambye nnyo okupromotinga culture yaffe ng'Abanyoro ate n'okwaniriza emikwano mingi mu Bunyoro.
Twongera kusaba Abanyoro n'Abanyoro kati nywena abantu bonna bali Bunyoro leka twongere tuleke kwikarambya okunenangana.
President Museveni yahaye miliyoni 50 ahabwa bijaguzo na miliyoni 6 yahereza chairman w'ekyalo. Gashakanwaga ba Ambrose Katoto.
Ambrose Katoto ebyo kwerinda nibija kongerwamu amani aha kitebe cha NRM obwo mukuru w'ihanga arikwetebekanisizo kwakira empapura zo koreka echetengo echo kwesimbaho abarikwenda kwesimba aha ntebe stars zimwe na zimwe nibagumiza mbari kwihayo empapura kandi hati bashire omu 12.
ADC n'abebembeza abandi mbabandize kuramburirwa rya Kibare Health Center ya Kashatu omugomboro yandije mu district ya Rampara bitu bashira hamyangarara obwirwa rero rutakatanchire kukoresubwa.
Who's your dad? You can engineer. You don't know who did this work.
Irwarre ryo kumaraho miliyoni 9 bitwarterera misho no yakirwe myangara.
No. Get go. Toza. Manye, imcho yusika toza silika. This is a total mess. These things have been there for some good time. Never even tried to feel like a fulfilling.
Chanjwe mu toilet naye kakorwaga dibengariye kandi n'abakozi abakozire nubacubanja.
Majority of people who are here are demanding for their money.
Chairperson ero siwana arahi, no management arahi. Abakubanja bahandika amazina sente zingahi. We are coming after 2 weeks. Engineer, you inform that supervisor I need him in the office tomorrow morning.
It's not commissioning. If it was commissioning, even we could not allow this service as we can't. And even a change to what we call is money for retention.
Gilbert Tumwini umuhari ba contractor ayihorza hati.
Ekyarestiriho challenge ezi omwanya ogu twombeka hamwanya ogwabire gushenzirwa hitaka. No shoti backfilling terabire nungi ko cyabe kitagisa bwanyama y'imvura kugwa abaho kwiga kwitaka so ko kureba abiro separation yo baraza na nejo.
And he never even cared to repair that thing.
No, madam.
Kubargira hiraro rya Kibare Health Center ya Kashatu baza hari St Peter's Rushanje Primary School mu Ribo Gushibingo Town Council ahibugire hechombeko cheverasi bina isimaziro miliyoni 30 kunduzibwa.
Izimbeshi bataka chiko university cyungigaje bashombesa nabeji na munongo mukumbara hamwende bukayacho konkadirisi ubu bakibonize kiza kurangu abana bakanya umusomeriri
bashire nahishimiye rya Kibumba Primary School naho bigura hechombeko che 22 ekimaziro miliyoni 9.
Project age ibiri rya miliyoni 9 kandi tugikozere twagiyeho mu musinge bakatwagiheta project ekozirweje
tukata kukimanya nishagara tubone zinde sente tukata kukimanya kunka ruhanga yagaragaye leta zinde sente zaradisi yanabagambira miliyoni 3 kuza kuyishampa tumarira
taya yoruhenderera harimo Marago Primary School naho batongwize icumbeko cye 22 ecwire kunduzuba aha kwa TV West in Susan Chelsea.
Bare Susan Charsima amakuru ago gabaga ry'amakuru garukurwa mu Rwampara hayi RDC yaba natongozo project za government ezikozurwe omu district John tuzagumiza mu namakuru omuntu omwe otakamanyirwe bere kumukwataho nagambwa kubagwere aharutindo orwa muzizi yabuza amisho na pichipichiye kandi obwahekireho enshaho y'ebihimba arukurwa mu district ya Chenjojo kandi ubwa hati abaturano bagira ngo bashobangirirwe kandi tubakamanyire kibarakore ahubwo kuba ngo guno muntu wakana arukugwa omumizi nugogamwe.
Orutino rwa Muzoru nurwo rukugita district ya Chenjojo ahaya Kagadi okurabira umugombora yakigoyera hamwe na cyaterekera kandi abatura batumanyise ngo rwa mukaga akagoma mu ntahitire nshaho y'ebihimba hapiki yaburura mbwa nyuma y'orutindo rukucweka.
Doringa harwaturusya sebo eweza abantu bayingi bafwiriro hano afwiriro abantu nk'abasatu abakutwarwa amaizi gano akagwa mu mbuye bwenyima pipiki yakamara mu myezi nk'esatu ntulenga ntere nduru mu government bete kutukonyera akaburamo umwana muto hana akagwamo yaburamo naborede tukonyirwe omukaire kanu konyina akatukubariza hano sazino already agumune mpipiki habuno omuntu nesa yebihimba nabo tukonyi
wanyonye nyine ninyowe mbomu habahimbe mirambe yeruga muzize munumba mbali yamba mulimba akuyiha abantu mumaize muno betatu bulikiro nawe kakujwati indora na muntu akunyambaho tinka simwaga no kusimwa hatutwaleka hano nyonyenka nakayamwe mirambena
tutunjira kumanisibwa ngo batubona bembezi ku rugembaje zombi bakikoramo murimo omwaka gw'2012 bayekora rutundoru okwenda kuyetiza bucyabantu ababintu bafa barukwambuka enyanja ya muzizi n'amato ekiri kusinga yokushasha abantu no kugira ngo rutundoru bayekorire rushikira hakucweka abebembezi ba government ya rwagati batine kibayambere
baitu ito hatwaterire bisana ntuturucha katabu kanu akatwatire ntuyambibwa abakerasi bakasanga tumazire honke myaka 2 ntusoroza sente ezokora urutindo runu kandi tukasoroza over 17 millions za sente ntuziyo mbantu boss Chenjojo district na Kagadi abantu ababuli kiro bakekora mu mulimo twakora urutindo runu okuruga emyaka giyona tutahantere nduru mu government ya hagati abantu batatu yambi
eby'emishuburo eby'amagara n'abana kushoma nabyo byo mu mberambi eyo rutindo rurumu
government yitu enunge ya Museveni etuyamba rutindo runturukoleki barukoli nitugonza kwekaguza itwe nk'abantu ba muzizi itwe nk'abantu ba kaswa itwe nk'abantu ba kigoyera sabuka unte na cyaterekera itwe tuli mu Uganda
haloho mwana wisomero rubaira nayenda kugwa mu kiro cyejo bamkwata nibasomera muzizi nibajya kaswa hano tutugiraho ni isomero lya government iso amasomero ga government umuntu mugombora yitu mateito
Ruth Kezabu kanza rumukazabwe gombora yakigoyera na Grace Atwire umuhezi wa chairman LC5 wa Chenjojo batumanyise ko bagiro wa enganzi hanga Robin na Banja akabaraganisa okwakuza ko rutindoru bitu no kusiana hati tine cyakozurwe Orutindo ine kilomita 15 kandi abana bagira ngo nga district tene sente zo kurukora
omwaka oguhoyire mwezi gwa December patungaho mugisa twabungaho mu Prime Minister Honorable Nabanja omuzimu hansonge zitwabalize nawe zikuturuma abantu bamwenge North lukabarutindo wa muzizi among others yaturaganiza ngo rutindo runo rugenda kukorwa with immediate effect hati ukiro kino twahisho mwaka December twahisho mwaka timwaka 10 kichweka turi kwa mukaga nothing has been done
bitu twaleba ejini project eri multi-billion ne sente nyingi ezi district local government etali kubasa kukora nitulobinga central government kutwagambire prime minister yagamba ngu niyo project yaza kutebwa hamane kakorwa to date nituleba tihine ekikakozirweho
okutero muranga hali government yaitu na hali minister wetu ensonga zino ningenda kuba ninzitwara o ministry yaitu eyengudo nensonga eze zikwatwaho ebisalo n'ebintu ebindi kandi obugitwarayo nitwikiriza ngu obundi gavumenti yaitu yakiteeka mu program okugira ngu ekisaaru kyona nekikore.
Emite yakozeho olutindo oru etandikire kujunda n'endiijo tugirebere hendekire konka eky'obusaasi ab'ebyiruka abashubuzi abakazi n'abaana b'amashomero nibarukozesa. Gashaka Daniel Bingana
twaza kumuraho nitugaruka.
Agarukurataho nagakushyibwaho
nerwa mite nebijumana oyizeze rukugonshaka okutanga endwara z'omubiri nk'obuhere ebuguna amazomba n'ezimbawe tukundeka mwana wanje hata bakuguba moviti bakabita mu kicupa kimwe.
Agarukurataho numanya akabaka ry'omu kweragurra nokimanya ngu nikibasa kurugereramu kufa
koko kubona urya buri mbazi gwe rwokuza gureeta obuzibu aha kine
utaferwa omupangiso rukurisize nkoko 350 mu mbaraza akaguza enyama yazo
ntula wansi ningiye ekintu kyembanjagala n'omutima gwange gwonna.
Agarukurataho gabanaga kushyibwaho
nerwa mite nebijumana oyizeze rukugonshaka okutanga endwara z'omubiri nk'obuhere ebuguna amazomba n'ezimbawe tukundeka mwana wanje hata bakuguba moviti bakabita mu kicupa kimwe.
Are you in panic? Or you're afraid to make a move? Don't worry. With Kazire Red Tonic, you will put her in red moments. And with Kazire Power Tonic, you have your game powered. Enjoy Kazire Red Tonic and Kazire Power Tonic, the natural organic products. Kazire Power Tonic, made from nettle tea, ginger, grapes, and honey.
Kazire Red Tonic, made from watermelon, pumpkin, grapes, and honey.
Power your game and ignite her happiness.
Here's your chance to win school fees for your child for a whole year. Just pay school fees using Momo.
Hi, Mango Senior School. We are here to reward one of our winners that paid school fees with Momo, and they got themselves school fees for a whole year.
The winner is my little sister. We loaded the money on my line. We did a payment. So basically, that's the story behind as to why it's me and then mom. It's such a relief for any parent because you imagine sitting at the back and knowing the child is going to do school for a full year. You're not worried about anything whatsoever. So I'm excited. Thank you, MTN.
This is continuous. So please, I call upon everyone to continue paying school fees with Momo. Dial *165 *80 hash and pay school fees with Momo and stand a chance to win school fees for a whole year.
Werenko mwerere n'omufaratsi gw'omutendo kandi nuguhangara omugongo omubiro gurukushasha okubiyamaje kigambe bakwecha orukwenda Resform ensi y'ebiroto birungi.
Otwiro inecyetengo cyo kushoma obunasi obuzarisa Evelyn Health Training Institute Mbarara City ishomere rikushomesa obunasi obuzarisa arurengo rwa certificate diploma in nursing and midwifery niza kwera ishomere nirishangwa kachika omuri cyamugoranyi hari Mbarara Community Hospital ija oyetungira obukugu okwandika beje basya kurene kugenda omumisha hishomero ebirukiraho terera notu mushanje ibiri kinana neina 13 Kaganitano. Ogambe na academic registrar. Evelyn Health Training Institute, Mbarara City, improving community health.
Everything could be end.
Penkoni. Yakwera utamuhimu mudu nokora ekikire wanywa Penkoni. Wanyompenkoni nushumurira kushemererwa urubunuzi na nobusinje nuenda kuchamuka Mpenkoni
igenda yakintu cyo kunywa cyonka
Mpenkoni ne kwamani uhindiko mushija nyishija Mpenkoni ni rukundo n'ubugwaje teri kuteza hangova narisho kuterwa umutwe
sinza kutambura
ngashimyode kumpenkoni ukakasi kwata nawe nywako
tunga icupa yawe hati mu maduka gakuri hihi no mu mabarago no mu ihanga iwo mushubuzi terasi muzitezi
mpenkoni wakinkorire
Skylight Hotel eresora uhereza bwo murembo muri Mbarara City ahi barukereza breakfast ngakatogo omelette Rolex shumbusha chapati chai yamate eyo mukaru akatunda ko murembe nebindi
bineyo na chamushanere kutandika shamu kagazi ihangwe nibateke nkoko embuzi echenyanja muchamo obushaza akaro ekitoche echozi emondi greens obutura eshwiga kandi echo kunywa nikigenderaho
hey manya bino buraro burunji bwo murembe aha beinunji kandi warara Skylight Hotel Mbarara City breakfast ne yabusha bine rooms eziri self contained DSTV security rije kandi parking ne yemarira
bine bara yo murembe pool table sauna na steam bath hamwe na conference hall
Skylight Hotel neshangwa omuri Mbarara City wahingura kace aha Vision Empire orguto rwatora katete ijukangu nibo ba director ba Skylight Hotel rukunjiri ebirukiraho tera notu mushanje mwenda 18 58 38 ninga notu mushanje notu mukaga 36
noyenda kwishikiriza ikiroto cyawe ecyo kwera amagara g'abantu nitwakira Hafins Medical University itendekero eritongozibwe okushomesa amashomo agebyobushaho omu East Africa obwa hati nitwakira applications omu mashomonka Bachelor of Medicine and Surgery, Pharmacy, Lab Technology, Weekend Nursing and Midwifery, Medical Education Nurse Tutorship, twine na diploma omuri Nursing, Midwifery, Clinical Medicine, Pharmacy, Lab Technology, otebirwe na za certificates omuri Nursing, Midwifery, Pharmacy, hamwe na Bridge Course. Twine laboratory yo murembe eyo mweji ari kubangurirwamo. Twishirire ahamikutu yitu www.fmu.ac.ug tandika urugendo rwawe rw'obusinguzi na Fins Medical University. Fins Medical University okutambira amagara g'abantu nugwe mwete gwitu.
Hayes Recruitment Experts Jobs Abroad n'amajemerwa minji ntabarusi yabo bona batunjire visa bakagenda kandi tumanyisa abantu mwena ngo nitucenda abantu binji abashije n'abakazi abojo n'abishiki emyaka 21 okwisarya na 5 okora chai chenyonyi Dubai emirimo nka customer service airport security aviation stewards check-in agents landing ground guides na aircraft cleaners okweyandisa no kwabusha free registration amatagit gona esimu notu mshanje ina note emwe ibiri ishatu ina itano mukaga ninga notu mushanju ina itano ninga notu mushanju ina not rukumi
uri mucho wararoteka tekera habyo kombeka jeno mu ba Dubai P&C Uganda Limited abari kushangwa omuri Mbarara City obwa hatabafurikire kimwe bakarga ahagaraji street no bashanga Makanising Street ahakizimbe cy'abasista hamwe na hashungine na Chosiga House hamwe na hawe house yabo rwogoma erukushangwa aha Victor Bwana Road washumira aha banda byembaho ogwaza Andrews ahu akatareka Makanising kafurikire aha we house yabo bine hotels nyamwinji enchene mpango nka 60 by 60 na 120 by 60 okurga Twyford Kenya na China mikaso size zona nebikabya adhesive nka quick stick tile adhesive erukusiba tile zempango namabare gahabisika na swimming pools twinitaji shaka waguro mu bwinji transport eruho wahika showroom yabe ya hawe house ebintu byona no butandu bata
manager ogito wagito konka abantu mu kidara kabatakagiremo MC takiziri DJ atumwe na wiring ebyoma tugumisize shanki ibiri
bantu mareka turgo muzano tugume twatesha twagamba shamushanju zibe shamushanju tikizana ngo okushara cake ni shamushanju nizeze nyine byo ni shara cake tukazakunyumbo
nawo mpenzi yona nesente konga tanywire mbogo nikushekerera nikuteganisa wenda ninyende mbogo yoka oyine mbogo kanaba mulungi ayibambe nekorera ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshara zanje
Tugumizamu n'amakuru abo kweyongera kw'amaduka agari kuguza embazi abantu abinji barigera kurunda bashaho kutunga obujanjabi bayongera omucwe ogwo kweragurira omuzogu abahangu nibagira ngu kibasa kurugiraho omuntu yaferwa amagarage aha mukeno.
Eji twajikora nitwihirira ha reporter yakozirwe mu mwaka 2024 yashohozibwa Makerere University. Omukuchondoza kwabo mu report eji kikashangwa ngo abakazi bingi binde ndwara ziri kuteganisa ebicweka bichama emibazi eri kwikabirnena ekikacha antibiotics tekibatambira. Nitwenka TV West nitwebuze kiretera omuntu yayeragurira niki.
Nosanga omuntu aina prior influence, prior experience. Okusanga ekibera kabatera okara asalamu ate kitu kwa kitu ayaituka kile kitu kabanki waelewa okara abwaki ntagenda kapoisa gali amagezi gina poisa buli nkaguro mbazi atageze kuri omusamo so ekinikeretera omuntu kugenda akafuna embazi za kwenda.
Zimwe hanshunga ezikuletera omuzo gw'abantu bayiraguriza nibura lya sente ziri kumara okutunga okuragurwa kurungi.
Embera yensa okuntu obumunno bino amalwera agakira nokwenda kugenda kulola omusawo najja kuhabuza a consultation okaina hati tera makasanyi namomutwalo gwandi okumu munsawo buli akawuzi nibwo busigairemu hati na dokita aliyo nasaba omutwalo ba consultation ijuka consultation lomo tafuna emibazi hati abantu abayingi bakira kola we asalamu agendo afuna emibazi atayizire okurangi omusawo.
Ahabwa Newton omushaho ahari Mbara University of Science and Technology nagira ngo abamwe bakozesa omubazi gumwe buri kurwara omubiri gumanyira kirekera gutabatambira.
Hine bakweta okushanga ngo omubazi gwasyo bwire gutakikutambira ahubwo gukoresa munonga tuchete drug resistance. So drug resistance ne basa kubaho nkukuna twantureba na nishomo poporo mukashesho abakaza bingi munonga ahabwa UTIs ningashi endwara zabo zabacyara emibazi tekibatambira aboguma naza hari yagura ogwa mugambiro gwagura aha muheru nikituma nabantu batafuna quality of life ninga magara kwaje ahabwo kwehembazi.
Emibazi nka Panadol, Fragile n'ebindi bijuma nebishira koresa bw'abantu kweragurira endwara ngo kuterwa mutwe okushasha munda n'ezindi.
Nikirungi kugira ngo obanze omanye uko washasha owayeteme kigere takushana okurwara omutwe owanashasha omunda takushana no wahende kokuguru. So first aid nibasa kuvaringa depending on the condition. Wachitegereza. So nko muntu yashasha nko muntu for example you can take a rest, you can take a cup of water and rest. Deno rukureba icyo kubanza kugira ngo umutwe n'endwara nta hariho other causes zareto umuntu yashasha umuntu. So ekizibe cyo noine kubanza wakimanya wayetorora kureba omushaho wakebeza nkobu wagira wayebuza na munongo kugukire omuntu byamagara.
Kugira Dr. Ahabuye imibaze minje y'abantu bari koresa kweragurira eyina kabika hango amagara gabo.
Bako kubano rya buri mbazi gwen rwo kuza gureto buzubu ahakine kandi ushanga ngo ekine cyo kureba. It is an organ. Once it is destroyed, it is destroyed for all. Maybe a liver transplant, and of which some of us may not manage.
Abashana bagira ngo mwanya gwo kweragurira n'emibazi abantu batamani omukuriye bijuma okunyamizi garikomara kandi amayonjo hamwe no gukora exercise.
Ibyo byo kurya ibyo birinke mbazi nitwija tubishanga omumeneke antushanga umiyembe emicungwa amapapari kandi ankore sub-region. It is a food basket. So ebyo kurya byona ntubona. Then twiremu nka sukuma wiki, spinach where we can get folic acid eri kutuyamba kuja kugira ki okuincreasinga eshagama yito magara gitu. Kandi no manya ngo umuntu yayineshaga manche, that is a problem.
Omumbozi terukurataho ntuza kuretera habwencho umuntu yarwara umutwe ashemerere kubanza yabyamaho. Gasha kwa Edison Chinene.
Edson nk'omuringo gumwe ogwo kukoresa omwanya muce okiya mucango twakuretera omusigazi muto okuruga mu district ya Kyegegwa arikurisiza enkoko 350 mu ibaraza ahabwo kwongera omutindo ogu nagira ngo akakora bucha y'enyama y'enkoko.
David Mugoya omutura w'omutawuni y'Orwera omutawuni kanso ya Kyegegwa nuwari kurisiza enkoko 350 omu ibaraza. Enkoko ziheza amezi 2 niziba ziine kilo ziri hagati y'4 kandi ogu naziha n'ebishaka okwenda ngu zigire enyama nungi.
Omulimo gwange natuuka nga nkanika by'amasanyalaze buli kiyitibwa eky'amasanyalaze kyonna nga nkikanika. Naye bwe nalaba wano nga waliwo ekifo kyensobola okukolerawo ne ngamba nedda nteeke wano ennyumba y'enkoko eno ebeere nga weeri nga wendisizaawo enkoko ezo.
Ogu akiija omuri Kyegegwa arikukora omurimo gw'okukanika na bwanyuma nikwo kutunga ekiteekateeko ky'okuriisa enkoko.
Nakula njagala okukanika ate we namala okwetongola nensigala nengufuula ng'omulimo nentandika okukanika buli kimu kyonna sirina kyesitakanika. Bwe buli kimu kyonna kyolaba nga kiyitibwamu amasanyalaze mateeka mbaali nakyerijjako nenkola ki nenkikanika so nga saakola ki saagenda mu ssomero nti oba nkiyige oba banjigirize.
Arikukozesa obwengye bwe bw'amakanika ogwakeekorera n'ekyoma ky'okwaruza obwana.
Eno buluda nagikola magezi maganda. Buluda eno nagituulira nengikola eri modo ya 3 ngiteekamu amagi ne gamalamu ennaku 21 oba weeks 3. We gava muno obwana bwe buva muno mbuteeka mu buluda nembulabirira okumala weeks 2 nembugyamu nembuteeka mu kifo ekirala nembukuza.
Abokwehara abashuubuzi okumuseera ogu akakora na bucha y'enyama y'enkoko aho arikuzibagira abantu bakazigura omuri kiro hamwe na hafu kiro. Kiro y'enkoko bwati nagiguza omutwaro gumwe na siringi 7. Rero enkoko ya kirina nagiguza emitwaro 6.25.
Enkoko nagirisanga weeks 5 kasitoma nga ajja sente zampa wenzira mu bitabo nga enkoko yazirya time zifunga tasobola kukola ki kuzimpa. Nengamba gatteko omutindo ngize wano ngitunde mu kiro.
Lawrence Rwabucyubya orukumumpangisa enju nagira ngu Mugoya n'omuntu w'omutano orukora ebintu by'omutano.
Enkoko mukatweka akatoito katarugaraza rwendi sanga nahindira enkoko ezirukweka n'ebikumi 2 nakyo kintu kikaba kihiyaka hano mu kiweka.
David Mugoya nagira ngu tarashomera byarukora ekiri kumanyisa ngu nabikoresa amagezi g'egenzarwa.
Gana amagezi agakola bino si bino byokka n'ebirala gye biri bingi byesobodde okukola nga nzabikola saasoma sina certificate yonna gyenina naye nga ntuula wansi nenjiya ekintu kyemba njagala n'omutima gwange gwonna nenkifulumya nga bwenkyagala nga sirina wenkikopye just nga nkigatta bugasi.
Mugoya yayongera yagira ngo byarukora bimuhwerire okwombekamu enju okushomesa abaana n'okureberera famire ye beetu ayina okwetombwita abo kugira ngo akashaba sente za PDM bazumwima ngu kandi zikaba nizija kumwongeraho kihango niko kushaba President Museveni okumukwatiraho. Gasha kwa Philip Marangiro muri Kyegegwa.
Zamu n'amakuru ebyo kwerinda nibija kongerwamo amaana aha kitebe kya NRM obwo mukuru w'ihanga arikwetebekaniza kwakira empapura ez'okworeka ekyetengo ekyo kwesimbaho. Abarikwenda kwesimba aha ntebe zitari zimwe na zimwe nibagumizamu barikwihayo empapura z'okweyandikisa kandi abahereze kwihayo nibarenga omu 2,000.
Tango Doi mukuru w'akakiiko k'ebyobururu ahabwa ekibiina kya NRM najangu President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni akahinguzibwa okukwata ebendera ya NRM ahabwa President kandi bamurinzire okwakira forms.
The chairperson of NRM is Yoweri Museveni. The presidential flag bearer, I'm sure, will be Yoweri Museveni. Why? Because SEC in 2019 endorsed him for 2020 and beyond. Unless they reverse. As Tango Doi, I have that document and I don't intend to do the contrary. Will he come here? Yes, he will come. Will he pick forms? Yes, he will. Will he be nominated from here? Yes, he will. What dates? I'll communicate to the press at the appropriate time.
abantu barukurenga 12 nibo bayihire empapura okwesimba ha ntebe zitari zimwe na zimwe kandi abandi nibacija okukoma 2015 okwezo ku Sunday.
All of us as NRM are responsible. We must ensure the election is free and fair. We are actually moving to a large population on Tuesday. Nomination. We know we shall have a large population, so we want the security to take over, to make sure our people are not injured, the roads are clear, the motorists are well catered for.
Ombaye handitse rizoba harumu first prime minister Rebecca Kadaga orukwenda kwesimba hantebe yo myishengero kazi ahabwaka muri
umanya abantu abapya mu NRM twabanye na constitution busaba constitution ya NRM ekifecho twakisaba busaba ifa bacyana twakisaba ndo zimya kajiwe senga 15 nga twagenda okulaba nga structure yone ya government ya party iri basajja berere ne tule nambole abantu gasaida bumba bakuru n'abarara netugati mutunyigiriza fena tuli wagizi naye mbotesa mweka gati tuliyo ndogati owange songa yenkuru
hina bandi abihire empapura kano bagirangu betebekanise okusya obuhereza aha abantu babo
ngati nigirageze gatekere ku buryo kuranga tubatigaruka muri icyo cya fizimenti kizibuya inde yongeze tiriho nanje cabinet sha miliyoni
batushobora buri kintu cyona ekikwetengesa so turiyo ntuzaku ndiyo nizakuronda ekikwetengesa cyona tukaija tukanominatinga 2017
nyenda kwebaza mnonga abanyarwampara abo kwatanisa rukundo n'ovunanizibwa obutubasize kukora
atamwejja nsubira okusesira abavubuka n'abatandiseeko naye okwongeramu amaanyi mu bavubuka
ekintu kufa munonga ni entasya y'amaka amakaga go kureba ebizobe tukubona byona nibiba nibiteganisibwa okutagira mirimo
ibindi binkuza kukora harimo youth empowerment
abantu na munonga hato obubwire obuturumu n'obuturiyo ntuzamu twayongera okucendeza enamba yabo abarukorenda yonga
abihire empapura bona nibashaba okukora mu mateeka byasha kwa Jimmy Muhumza
reka tugaruke tumureho tugaruka n'agacenshira gande
Oino mukoronke mbaga yo kugitwa okwinjira graduation okusima enchiko za AGM nemikore ndijo yona abatina events bakuretera obuhereza bw'orurengo rwensi yona ubwa decoration mega tents hamwe na tents zebike bindi byona akasente kenshiko tina events nibashangwa achombeko echa Central Market room nambi 17 ahari Mbaguta Street omurimbarara city okumanya birukiraho tera noti mushanju mukaga atano ni 5 chenda na mwenda ananeina tina events nito twenko muri burengero rw'izoba abino buhereza bw'umurembe
katochi ino bunuzi bwayo katochi kelya mutindo katochi okurugera izoba abantu banje tibarigaruka kugire nako ha mutima byaguma binamashemererwa ahabwo kuba natongoze cyo kunywa kisya ecya katochi mugume munywecho katochi ino bunuzi bwayo katochi kelya mutindo katochi ina chama chayo muhute katochi yelya mutindo katochi alcoholic drink inuzire kandi teri kuleta hangover nekogwa bakabiri Foods and Beverages Company Limited otaka ikize myaka 18 otanywaho
nitukwanjurira Mbarara Institute of Health Sciences and Management ishomero lyonka eri cyasingireyo okugunjura abashaho hamwe n'abazarisa aharurengo urwa certificate na diploma in medical laboratory technology, diploma in medical records and health informatics, diploma in pharmacy. Rero bagaruka bashomesa certificate in nursing and midwifery. Ishomereri in medical laboratory erime byoma nibereba ko muntu library eyomurembe computer z'ekikacha higuru kandi byemizano bakabiteka mamanika kandi ishomereri rahamibwe ministry ey'ubwegesiye na ministry of health kandi bine bus rugogoma eyokutambuza abeji ebyombeko ebyomurembe hamwe no mwanya rugogoma gwo kushomeramu ebitabo ogurukorebeka kurungi nirishangwa hangudo nyegendwa eyambarara isingiro odakakiro mutahuni ya kaberebere okumanya biri kukiraho note mushanju ibiri kaga na mushanju ashatu nibiri kaga nemu Mbarara Institute of Health Sciences and Management. We strive for quality health.
Mukamanze nalyachi era ddala kituufu inache walya nguza bizigo kumpi container namba biganye sagala kufaanana bwenti mukwano tongoba ani walayira nti okufa kwe kulitwawula olususulu twawudde kaibanda omusajja ngobya lususulu nnemeseza amaka gula ebizigo wiisiige ebizigo byonna biganye olususulu kulemesa maka kikino gulo handi and body cream mbadde mbigulidde mukazi wange
Glow Cosmetic Products okuyoyota ensusu beekansa balina Glow Hand and Body Cream, Glow Herbal Petroleum Jelly, Glow Perfumed Petroleum Jelly, Glow Junior Jelly, Glow Hair Jelly, Glow Hair Pomade, Glow Hair Conditioner, Glow Hair Shampoo, Glow Hair Relaxer, Glow Pure Glycerin ne Glow Baby Powder ifune maduka wonna ne mu supermarkets.
At Avance International University, we offer various courses in business, education, humanity and social sciences, information technology, journalism, nursing and midwifery, plus complementary and alternative medicine. The school is equipped with a well-stocked library, computer lab and different science laboratories for research and experiments. We offer full and half bursaries for students who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Enroll now for your degree, diploma or certificate studies. Contact or WhatsApp us on 0700 670 691.
Kabale University invites you to experience a world-class education in the Serena Hills of Kigezi. We are a public university located in Kabale, southwestern Uganda, that offers programs ranging from certificates to PhDs. Currently, we offer over 70 of them in the disciplines of medicine, agriculture, engineering, technology, art and design, natural sciences, management, education, language studies, and many more. Join us by applying online at admissions.cap.sc.ug, and for more information, visit our website or call the numbers on your screen. Knowledge is the future.
Singura pichipichi na Ruhira Millennium Sacco. Okusingira pichipichi noetengaka konji kamwe ogori kubike mtwara 5 okumara mezi mushanjo otakazihireyo kandi abarasingura bihembe binde birimente TV screen zirugogoma amasimu gomurembe nebindi nyamwinji nobike mtwara 21 nabwo mara imyezi mushanjo otakazihireyo okugura bukonji bwinji nicongere micha yawe yo kusingura akazana kandi kaza kwendera omkwezi wo 12 awuturaga bire bihembo za mataji ga Ruhira Millennium Sacco nganya Kitunda Ruhira Chivare, Kashumba, Kavyanda, Ngarama, hamwe na Mbarara City, utandikiraho kubika. Ibirukiraho, tera, noti mushanju noti, hashatu n'itano, ishanju na mnana, shinana nemwe, ninga, noti mushanju mnanina, shinana na mnana, 15, nkaga na mwenda. Ruhira Millennium Sacco, banka yanje, banka yawe.
Wabula muntame.
Bukolagana ne Harapa Travel Consultants, gaba masanyu merere. Bakugobera ku visa eya UK, US, Canada, Europe, Dubai, na walala. Bakola ku bya passports, eya tickets, hotel bookings, bakuyambako n'okufuna emirimu ebweru w'eggwanga. Balina n'enkola eya kibanja mpola. Harapa Travel Consultants entinda ku Haruna Mall, level 2 na level 3.
Mazina ganje ni Agirembabazi Emmanuel. Gano ya Yamarembo Trading Center Chamunga. Kora n'amashanyarazi ga Fresh Solar dukorire mu kumaro bwire bwindi akube nyuma ho tukatine amashanyarazi turukubona umurga uza kutegera hari kungatwiza Fresh Solar kuyizire twateka saruni.
Mweniwe oasaruni, abamashomero, abamaduka, abazafamu, n'abatunzi b'enkoko, banyina maka, abamabara na za hoteli. Tunga sora ya fresi, rero kora magoba. Ijuka ngo nibagikushumikira, bagikanike, kandi bagaruza mekiri kusisikara. Aho gabusha free. Ebiro kukiraho, tera, noti munana noti, hashatu na mkaga, hatano na mshanju, ngaga ni 5, eyabusha. Abanyambarara, Swift Initiatives Limited, baturetera mwana kugobya obushobozi n'oburambuzi. Ebirabi na mushanju byo kwa mukaga, okwisebera mukaga byo kwa mushanju, omwaka ogu omucheka cheka. ije tugure ibituri kwetenga habesha zirweho abajubuzi mwije muguze byanyu abamakorero abamahoteli abebyo kunywa no kurya abamajuta cosmetics abahinji n'abarisa mutaferwa booking omwanya hati tera noti mushaje notemwe anana mukaga shinana na mukaga ninga noti mushaje eshatu anane itano noti eshatu 30 bakwinire nenyamisho nyamwinji okurugo muzu embarasi gonya maya engamia nezindi bouncing kasozi swimming train na sakasabwa abana cyazire kutambira bisika no muziki go kucamura heciro no mushana okutama main gate nishirinje 200 no kureba nyamisha nishirinje 200 abana bishemero hona ni 10 otaferwa
umuzeire ukayenzira umwana wawe yashemera muri Kampala ukayenzira umwana wawe yagira ubwo burungi utakareba handi reba twakuretera umugisha ngugu Green Top School pre-primary and primary twine uburaro burungi abana nabariyaje environment ni nungi nitwarakoranya talent z'abana hari okuzana umpira farming okoza computer okweshongora n'ibindi binji kandi byo kwerinda n'ibirungi twine motoka zo kubatambuza twine n'abashomesa batendekirweje nitushangwa harumaya nanziga Masaka Road tuterera hanamba zesimu 0 mushanji 52 3 00 oba tuterera hari 0 mushanji mukagina anana munana shanji 5 00 Green Top School pre-primary and primary. Learn today, lead tomorrow. School is a pre-primary and primary.
Here's your chance to win school fees for your child for a whole year. Just pay school fees using Momo.
Hi, Mango Senior School. We are here to reward one of our winners that paid school fees with Momo, and they got themselves school fees for a whole year.
The winner is my little sister. We loaded the money on my line. We did a payment. So basically, that's the story behind as to why it's me and then mom. It's such a relief for any parent, because you imagine sitting at the back and knowing the child is going to do school for a full year. You're not worried about anything whatsoever. So I'm excited. Thank you, MTN.
This is continuous, so please, I call upon everyone to continue paying school fees with Momo. Dial *165 *80# and pay school fees with Momo and stand a chance to win school fees for a whole year.
Otweraronda pishindunji ezirya mulembe ziranya mpora Golden Choice Parts Uganda Limited. Abana shangwa kizimba cha Patas Hotel. Hii na round about ya tatitwi Mbarasti. Bakuleta pchunu za lole. Zaba yasheku. Hamana spare parts za bajaji na senke. Omohoro sana riti. Nko. Black pedals za bajaji. Chain system za bajaji na senke. Emepira ya pchena tubes. Omotap zona za Golden Choice. Na Bosen. Castro Oil. Total Lubricants. Oil za petrol na diesel. Hamana Total Grease. UB Aero Batteries. Omohoro sana na riti. Comet Oil. Omo half liter na liti 5. Otebo kumenya chika cha rolero. Chirakoza za spare za bajaji boxer. Kandi wagura n'aba Golden Choice Parts Uganda Limited. Transport ne yabusha. Mpako wawe hona mu Western Region. Okushubura tera noti 3 23 nkaga ni 2
Iri zuba nza kutayire cyaro moviti. Utosha kakuba kuriyo kwesima no kushemerwa. Nebujumana oyizezo rukugomshaka okutambe ndwara zo mbiri nkobhere ebuguna amazomba nezimba kukundeka mwana wanje hataba kuguba moviti bakabito mushipa kimwe enganda zona zikazeranda hamwe kushara embazi yebishaka yo kunabisa abana babo umwana nabasa kwesiga moviti habo jerry aloe vera ningashe avocado papaya
Movit okweyesiga izoba lyona.
Metropolitan International University, a multi-campus university with campuses in Kampala, Kisoro, and Mbarara. They offer various courses in disciplines like computing, education, humanities and social sciences, business administration and management sciences, tourism and journalism studies, information technology, agriculture, health sciences, and engineering courses. Full and partial bursaries of tuition are also available for those who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Come for your degree, diploma, or certificate studies. Empowerment through knowledge creation.
Nice place.
Thank you.
Now you can pay for GoTV weekly for as low as 5,000 Uganda shillings a week and enjoy your most loved entertainment with Kawiki. Dial star 206 hash or use the My GoTV app to pay. GoTV Uganda. Love it.
Man, valet took forever.
There's no valet here.
Who took my That could have been bad.
Mountain Dew. Do the Dew.
Did you know that the first C-section operation was done in Uganda? And now, in every corner, from hair dryers, banana fiber extensions, a cow tail shoe brush, a stick computers, and many more. This June, the spotlight is on you. The National Science Week 2025 is here from the 15th to 20th June 2025 at Kololo Independence Ground. Entrance is free to all. Made in Uganda. Innovation to market. This message is brought to you by
Science, Technology and Innovation Secretariat.
Ministry of Finance, Planning and Economic Development nemanyisa abantu mwena kwakuza kubaho kushomerwa budget y'ihanga ryonna 2025-2026. Omutwe gwa budget n'okureba ngu buli munyayuganda wena yagigahara okurabira mu buhingi n'obulisa omu by'amakorero okwangusa ahantasya hamwe n'obutali. Omukoro nikuza kubaho rwa Kanooru 2012 by'okwezi kwa mukaaga 2025 ahari Kololo Independence Grounds. Ebi byona nibitishibwa haba URA, CS Bag, Accord, PSFU, Siatin, UNICEF hamwe na Uganda Date Network. Mbanya budget yawe 2025.
Goes absolutely emphatic. He has done it.
Get ready for more on Supersport, the only place to watch all the FIFA Club World Cup.
Minisita w'ebyensimbi okuteekerateekera eggwanga n'enkulaakulana wakusoma embalirira y'omwaka guno 2025-2026 egenda okutambulira wansi w'omulamwa ogw'okusiga ensimbi mu byenfuna bya Uganda mu bujjuvu okuyita mu by'obulimi eby'ettunzi amakolero okwongera n'okugaziya empeereza ku bintu bya bulijjo enkyukakyuka mu bya digito ssaako n'okugaziya obutale n'olwekyo tosubwa okugoberera embalirira egenda okusomebwa olw'okunanga ennaku z'omwezi 12 omwezi guno butereevu wano ku BBS Telefina okuviira ddala ku ssaawa 7 ez'emisana osobole okumanya ebyo ebiteereddwako essira na butya bw'oyinza mu mbalirira y'omwaka guno 2025-2026 embalirira yaffe buvunaanyizibwa bwaffe obubaka buno bukutuusibwako Civil Society Budget Advocacy Group CSB Ministry y'ebyensimbi okuteekerateekera eggwanga n'enkulaakulana wamu ne bannamikago abalala bangi.
Your wedding is just the beginning. Don't miss the Bride and Groom Expo from 27th to the 29th of June 2025 at the Uma Multipurpose Hall. Under the theme, Beyond I Do, building a lifetime together. Come and get tips, products and services you need for I Do and everything after. Tickets are only 10,000 shillings per day. To book a stall, call 0772 350 940. The Bride and Groom Expo is brought to you by Vision Group, Pepsi, Bella Wine and Luke's Bespoke.
November 23rd, we got an accident here with a bullet. An askar shoots an askar. So in that moment, I ran there to see what happened. I found a shooting guy. According to how we are trained by Prudential and the Red Cross, I helped that guy to block the space because blood was too much, he was bleeding too much. I would like to thank Prudential that guy recovered.
Prudential, let's face life together. Turinawi.
ag'ebyemizano tiimu y'ab'ebyenyanja hamwe n'abakazi ba Central Market nizo zasinga empaka zambarira Central Market Tournament ezahendera erizoba aha Kishayi Global. Ab'ebyenyanja batsinga Fresh Foods na Goro 8 ari umushanje za penalty.
Empaka eze ziri kuzanwa emirundi ebiri omu mwaka hati zibaire zihereze sabiti ibiri ziri kuzanwa zetabirwemu tiimu z'omupiira gw'ebigyere z'abashaija hamwe n'ez'abakazi z'omupiira gw'engaro. Omu bashaija tiimu y'ebyenyanja yasinga tiimu ya Fresh Foods aha Goro 8 hari mushanju za penalty. Bwa nyuma ya tiimu zombi kuheza dakiika za burijo zigwire makazi bushaha bundi.
Ikomoto maneno mpaka mukateba binebisajja binebisajja nagufanajja
empaka z'abakazi zo zasingurwa tiimu ya Central Market eyatera tiimu ya Mbarara Secondary School mu z'akamaririzo na gori 16 hari mukaga. na bwa nyuma abasinguza b'ebyenyanja na Mbarara Central Market Ladies bahebwe ebiconco ebirimu ebikopo n'emidari hamwe n'embuzi ebyabakwasa bwa Dano Ruhemba. Ndi Edwin Ram ahabwa TV West Agacencwire.
Ganda g'ebyemizano y'empaka za Ankole Cup yazanwa erizoba tiimu ya Mbarara City yagwa kikazi na ntungamo na Goro 1-1 omuzano gwazandwa Kishayi Kaceeka.
Omupira gwa utagenzere kubi konka babasa kututeba mu goro twaturidingire goro mwarubusha babasa kututeba mu goro omudakika zikuza kwayo konka tu result imbi twatuzanire tutarumuka okukora draw tutekateka kuturagaruka muka kugeza okuteka mamani tukasinga no mpira
ekyo byasire wano kireba tariko kuyo abarefari yokuba kakumwa kwa tompira wanoreba notera suru pass naina korekana asa ita na offside ati tuwebuza ikigendo cha tournament ekiya bakabasa kuturwanisa twaza bwezo bateka byabiro mu kabura twayikiriza batuyobone ushaka twakamareka tusanga mu katwaze kuwinga mpira gomka tongere n'abazibitu gukora kintu kwisi konka n'abare bo mpira.
Amakuru ag'ebyemizano ngo twatwinire kandi ngo gahendera Agacencwire abwikire kintu kusima munonga ibagomere nitwe Serena Nuwamanya n'abandi abonakora nabo ntubendeza okurara kurunje.
Eshaha zabishatu z'ekiro na
You can now get all the Chibuzi out with MTN voice bundles. Call all networks. Kubei Dondoro. Buy a 25-minute voice bundle for only 1,000 or buy any daily voice bundle of your choice. Dial *100 *21# and select daily or use the My MTN app.
okwayahayanira entebe y'obwa meya bwambarara kuriyo ni kosya TV West yakuretera ikiganiro eki butunu aho turashitamise bona abesimbira bwa meya bwambarara city twegiteho ubwo bari kutumurikira enteekateeka zabo ezibinire ekibuga cyawe otaferwe ikiganiro eki okwire enteekateeka z'abantu bawe rero ukabona okukora okusharamu okwikire ukaronda umwebembezi orakuretera entunguka ekiganiro eki nikije kubaho urwo kubanza ebirabe na bishatu byo kwa mukaga 2025 shahina zekiro butunu ahambeho za TV West twegiteho okore okusharamu okwikire ikikwikibwaho aba Flax Digital Production abineza screen impango rwiguga ezokukoresa omikoro yona kubayikirira tira note mushanje notemwe ashatu nishatu inshanjo nemwe not hamwe na Acacia Country Inn abinobuhereza bwa hoteli n'umwanya go kwereramo imikoro
okwa mukagoko nitwisha kubana tushakuze kiro echa World Environmental Day ahabo kugira ngo TV West etwire na inageza programs zo kurinda by'ubuhangwa ebiro 30 byo kweza kwa mukaga nitwisha kubana turangirira umusingizi w'impaka z'amashomero agarabega kuzireje omukuhangahanga w'ibyishongoro narishe bitebyo ebikwasira kurinda by'ubuhangwa ishomero rasinje ebirabona byinje bonishiwuri inzireje reka twatanise omukurinde by'ubuhangwa byitu ahabwanyensi yakubanonje bishagiciro aba beach abaruguza no kugura amataka muka Generation Development Group abari kurinde by'ubuhangwa bwensi hamwe na Mizabibu Gardens abino buhereza burunji ubwa hotel hamwe n'umwanya wo gukoreramo imikoro
oyu no mukoro nkembaga AGM za Sako graduations emipira n'enkunga n'izindi noyenda ngo abantu bazilebe live ninga shubutunu aha TV West utaferwa mu gishogu ubwa hati TV West nebasa kwereka omukoro gwawe aha kabeyi akacendezibweho live ninga shubutunu tukirire aha office zitu omuri Boma Mbarara ninga oteresi meji ya notina ikominina ashatu nishatu nshanju not TV West nehinda
ukumbereba ni kukibaho
France Uganda ekitongore ekirize okutuhereza amashanyarazi gizoba behireyo okuhindura amagara gawe bari kwishaho amashanyarazi ga sola agari kwesigwa omuri buri cyetengo cyawe cyona Tina Events bakuretera umuhereza bw'ururengo rwensi yona ubwa decoration mega tent hamwe na tent zebike bindi byona akasente kensheko
program okwembereba musibreje basabona banyabo bakunde abana muze gukora homework wawe buri mwana wena akore homework. Let me tell you imwe bana bakunde ba homework ne yanyu ti abaziri yes yokora homework ebirareme obone kubuza omuziri kandi abazire ni mumureke gukora homework y'abana yona hati no isobero nunga tamwe that's not homework ne y'abana Yunka nyamara wanje kaje to know this is my homework. Utampabura nyoni za kujukora karareme then you signing ngunajukora. So homework ne yabana. Nabwecho mkume mubayambe. Mubayambe kwa kujukora kwa kamureke kubakora asazone. After all nezi mutu mukuzimanya. Tina Events one and a mega tent is a hamrembe East Africa no bonka abebe mbili nabwecho zayo Ambaguta Street Central Market Building room number 17 Mbarara City. Yes abebe mbezi mureke kukora nkabari aha remote wahura he's the issue yo man man it's very good. It's very good business. Konkato kwata mahoro kagato muchibo chimu. Wahura. Mureke aba agriculture but advising. Mureke omwana gutaba everybody nka UPC ko yabrejera. Everybody UPC everywhere. Even you no. Omwana it is not everybody everywhere. Mbere ningamba omburisa witu wakaberebere. They are doing well bintu byo kurisa binente zabo so tokubasa orobetade nukwizo kajuta omwana no ba supporting barete echo macha diary bahereze baretere binyansi byo kuhinga by improving what they have koka tokubasa kugira ngo orobetade ba abandoning enti kandi bazomwana first abakwingo mwana ba so culture nabwo echo to advising abantu arekanisa yakambizoko oba ninjira na hati njake yonjira bakamba ekicoro cyabomba kimara uko kubanza abuke kanisa neteme bitoke bukurenga magana 2 oburisi so mbatima bakora so abantu gabo ko kwanaka no benkarejinga bagure baranwa babaguri wanyete you leaders support what people are doing kandi chikubagasa koka kora sange baryaho bazagire batine kibine then babasa kukongera ninga ngabakambizo nabajeto mongereho omwana mbaze murebe koka tubafite marutoki kandi okwato omwana bakaguto murutoki kandi bari abantu aba retango toze mutundente muguro omwana nabwo echo ningira leaders mu advising abantu wahora arayo mwana gutakwera echo no kimanya yes araho mwana gukwera so mureke aka president agambira mwana oketa abantu amurka mwena mugendo mbingo umwani utamanyire babire mbabaho bata you know nabo echo oyinoko okubanza ari bibuze bisemo kubanza byabuza before you enter that project nakwenko bereba iwe no berebo
okumbireba yaba ni kukibuga
France Uganda ekitongore ekirize okutereza amashanyarazi gizoba behireyo okuhindura amagara gawe bari kuyiseho amashanyarazi ga solar agari kwesigwa omuri buri cyetengo cyawe cyona atina events bakuretera umuhereza bw'ururengo rwensi yona ubwa decoration mega tent hamwe na tent zebike bindi byona akasente kensheko
Your chance to win school fees for your child for a whole year. Just pay school fees using Momo.
Hi, Mango Senior School. We are here to reward one of our winners that paid school fees with Momo, and they got themselves school fees for a whole year.
The winner is my little sister. We loaded the money on my line. We did a payment. So basically, that's the story behind as to why it's me and then mom. It's such a relief for any parent because you imagine sitting at the back and knowing the child is going to do school for a full year. You're not worried about anything whatsoever. So I'm excited. Thank you, MTN.
This is continuous, so please, I call upon everyone to continue paying school fees with Momo. Dial *165 *80 hash and pay school fees with Momo and stand a chance to win school fees for a whole year.
All right, listen up. Colgate is on a mission.
It's kind of a big thing. Colgate Herbal uses traditional nature's herbs and combines it with Colgate Science for healthy gums and strong teeth.
New Colgate Herbal with Salt combines traditional nature's herbs with a pinch of salt and Colgate Science. A natural recipe for strong teeth and healthy gums.
They are bossed up like never before with new buddies and your returning faves. From first class to all things shade.
I hate fake people.
Are you stupid? Last season was closed.
I would rather travel with a tripod than travel with high retirement plan.
This one's cunning.
I am husband.
Kampala Cream, new season, starts Sunday 1 June at 8 p.m. on Pile Magic Prime. Stay connected to DSTV channel 148 and GoTV channel 303.
Are you a woman with a small-scale business with a dream of growing it to another level? The GROW Project is here to support you in realizing your dream.
The GROW Project is a government initiative implemented by the Ministry of Gender, Labor and Social Development and Private Sector Foundation Uganda with support from the World Bank.
We support women-owned businesses across the country to gain hands-on and business management skills through training within your location, business financing through grants and affordable loans, and infrastructure in your area areas of operation to enable you to increase your productivity.
If you have a business that makes sales of up to 800,000 Uganda shillings per month, the GROW project has the tools and resources to help you succeed. For more information, contact your district or city GROW focal person or call our toll-free line on 0800 307 777 to learn more about how you can benefit from the GROW project's services.
The GROW project, empowering women economically, transforming communities.
iri zuba nza kutayire cyaro mufite butoshaka kuba kuriyo kwesima no kushemerwa